Today we will be testing the Q trend indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Q trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 799 indicators, with 325 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Q trend indicator. We tested this one a couple days back, and so in that testing, this indicator gives these tags here. Let me go in and show. And so the way it looked originally was like this. And so we have the red tags and we have the green tags. We have red tags that say sell, and red tags that will say strong, and then we have green tags that will say buy and green tags that will say strong. And so the standard sell and buy, red tag, green tag kind of indicate just a standard signal, whereas the red and green tag that are labeled strong indicates that it's a strong buy or a strong sell signal. And so when we tested that originally, it didn't do too well as far as the win rate goes. And so I thought we would isolate out just the strong signals to see if that gives us a better win rate and if we are able to get to the 60% win rate that we are looking for using the strong buy and sell signals. So when we get a green tag that says strong, we are going to go long. When we get a red tag that says strong, we are going to go short. So that's the setup. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that red strong tag right there. Unfortunately, we get this pullback right here that's just enough to come up and hit our stop, just by about 5 pips before it then rolls over, makes that nice push to the downside that we were shooting for in the first place. Let's Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a strong buy signal right here on this one. We get another pullback and it gets really close to our stop, but not quite enough to stop us out before it then rebounds and makes a nice push to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up another short signal right here on this one, a nice strong red tag right there. We get a nice push to the downside, some consolidation, then another nice push to the downside, and that does get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here, specifically the Patreon only channel that we have set up just for our patrons to take advantage of, where we post some really great advanced information for everyone to look at and utilize. And so, for example, our members post these chart analysis on a regular basis. For example, this is Sasquatch right here. He does an awesome job of trading the Forex market. He's a Forex prop trader. And you can see that he puts up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even where he was looking to take a trade. So he has his entry, his stop, and his take profit all lined out here for everybody to kind of follow along with. Kind of same deal over here where he's put up the chart, marked out areas of support and resistance and areas of interest. And some of our other members do that as well, including our admin Jay is putting up charts like this of the futures market, where he is trading that, doing a really great job at trading the futures market, like I said. And then in general, just posting really great conversations, thought experiments, and just helping everybody out, bouncing ideas off of each other, and yeah, just supporting everybody and being very supportive and productive in general. So highly recommend that you join us here. It's great stuff. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and count this out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. I think it did better than it did with all the signals on. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what it did in the original video, but something tells me that it did a little bit better, if I remember right. It was doing pretty well, kind of strong there, and then about mid-year it started to hit these kind of fake out areas that just knocked down the win rate. 2, 3, 4 trades there that really kind of sealed its fate. So this one is going to continue to stay on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.